Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to get support from Hostinger. To get support from Hostinger, you need to log in into your Hostinger account first. Then click on this little help icon from the top. Scroll down to the bottom and click on Chat Now. A little window will pop up. Click on Send us a message. And this is how to live chat with Hostinger. One little important thing to be aware of is that first you will be connected to a robot with Hostinger bot, which many of us don't like. To avoid that or to overcome that, just ask him, please connect me to a real human. And like that, you will be directly live chatting with Hostinger real people. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have two free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger website builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.